Hey guys, welcome to my toy channel. Today we're gonna open Peppa's cash register. Wow, this little cash register is so adorable. Let's open the box and see what's inside. And here it is, Peppa's little cash register and accessories. Now you can go shopping with Peppa Pig. In the box we got a can of apple, sweet corn, tomato sauce, cereal pop, and washing powder Zap. We also got some money, 5, 20, and 10s. A little credit card from the Bank of Peppa. Let's not forget the little coins. Now we're gonna store the money. The little cash drawer opens. And closes. Oh, I almost forgot the milk. This little cash register is super colorful. It has a little Peppa Pig here. She's holding a basket full of groceries. The little conveyor belt does not move. It's just pretend. Cash drawer opens. And you just have to press the button. Closes. And it makes the little sound. Here you have sounds, but it's just a beep. Here when you press your credit card, it also makes a sound that you're paying. When you press Peppa's little head, it's just a beep. No phrases from Peppa. But you can see the colors. And with the little Peppa Pig, this cash register is super adorable and lots of fun. Now let's go shopping. Look, I found some new surprises. And I'm gonna pay with my Peppa Pig's credit card. $4.99 for the Peppa Pig egg surprise. $3.99 for the Barbie surprise. The total is $8.98. Here you go. Let's open my surprises. Barbie blind bag. This is a little poodle. Poodle with a sparkling high heel. Just one. And the Peppa Pig egg surprise. jelly beans, 1 sticker of Princess Peppa, a flyer, and 1 pen. This pen is of Daddy Pig. Hey, I just found something new. The Peppa Pig Clay Buddies blind bag. Let's buy it. This Clay Buddies is $5.99. I'll pay this for you, Anna. Well, thank you, Elsa. Let's see what's inside. With these Clay Buddies, we can make Freddy the Fox. First, we're gonna make a little ball with the clay. And this is gonna be his body. This clay is a lot like Play-Doh, but it will not dry up. Head, hands, feet, and don't forget the tail. Freddy the Fox. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more new toys from Peppa Pig.